Big Review TV, and today we're in London, Shoreditch. We're checking out the Makers Cafe. They have a regular setup of a normal cafe, but what they offer is much, much more. Let's go see what it's all about. What's so cool about this place is that whatever you think in your head or that you've designed, then you want to create, this place can do it. It's just awesome. They create thoughts into things, and you guys have to check it out. I'm Christy, this is Big Review TV. Download our app and check us out online.